Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both hardware and software. Charge the case and AirPods and turn on Bluetooth on your device. Once done, keep the AirPods inside the case, open the lid, and hold the case next to your phone or tablet. You're initiating the pairing handshake. This tells your device to scan and present a connection card. If you see a pop-up, tap Connect immediately. Make sure to stay within a few feet so the Bluetooth signal remains strong and stable. After the initial connection, you'll follow on-screen prompts to finish setup and sign into iCloud if asked. Next, open Settings to configure noise control modes, noise cancellation, transparency, and enable spatial audio so sound tracks your head movements. Make sure to set press and hold actions for each stem to customize controls. You should also try different ear tip sizes and run the ear tip fit test. A proper seal improves bass, call quality, and noise cancellation effectiveness, which is why fit matters. Finish by learning daily routines. Squeeze a stem to control playback or activate Siri, and use noise control gestures to switch modes quickly. Make sure to clean ear tips and case gently to maintain sensors and microphones. When storing, close the lid to preserve battery and keep dirt out. If connectivity or audio issues occur, try resetting. Put AirPods in the case, close lid, wait 30 seconds. Open and hold the back button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.